Hello everyone and welcome to another video about XAF and actually Maui. I'm really excited about this video. I think that this is something that we have in our pipeline for a long time and we finally got the time to do it. So basically, as we know, XAF make it really easy for us to create our API, and right here we have a sample customer invoice, the standard API that where we have customers, we have invoices, we have invoice line, and we have products. So the idea here is to have a dynamic app that could accommodate any XAF API. And we have it here. Let's see it in action. So basically we have this, we call it SARI CRUD, but the name can change or not because we submitted to the Apple Store and Google Store, but we can change the name if needed. But basically, we have this app where we get inside and we add our API link. That's the first thing. That will be the Swagger, where it will get. Let me get it back. It will get the configuration. So after that, we validate the connection. That will make sure that it's a valid XAF API, and then we continue to log in. After that, we basically log in with our credentials and we log in the system. The idea here is that we're going to read all the metadata of the API. We're going to scaffold or entities and we're going to create dynamically. Doesn't matter which API, doesn't matter which entities do you have, a navigation that has all the entities in your XAF Web API. Customer, invoice, invoice line, and products, those are the ones that we have here. But you could have, we know that we have XAF app that have 300 entities and more. So it will do it for all of them. And then you will have here the card view. Basically, this is a list view where you can search, you can look for the records, and then you can go to the detail. You will have the related data. This one customer has invoices. You can see that related data as well. You can edit that information. You can delete the record. So basically you can do any CRUD operation on your XAF app. Right here, same thing for invoice line, product, and so on. But what I really like about this is that you can also tweak this app. If you are an admin in XAF, you are able to come here and say, okay, let's on the navigation hide invoice line because we don't want invoice line. And let's on the customer, we'll have all the fields here and we're going to be able to say, okay, in the list, let's not show the font, for example. And you have all the properties here. You even have the related property. You can save and apply. And after that, if you come back to the navigation, invoice line is not there anymore. If we go to customer, the font is not in the list anymore. So you can customize the list, the detail, if you're going to be able to edit or no, if it's going to be on the navigation or no, and basically have a app that can connect to any XAF Web API for you on the road to do your operations. I personally am really excited about this. I use it all the time. A lot of time I'm in the road and somebody send me a message, oh, hey, I need to change this on the database and I try to access. I cannot do it for some because it's my IP is not is not the right IP for doing those changes. Now I'm able to see my data, change my data, and it doesn't matter which XAF app I build. If I have a Swagger, if I have my XAF Web API, I should be able to manage it. What do you think, Hochi?
Well, to be honest, it's like a dream come true. If you think about it, we did something like this, I don't know, 10 years ago. Was incredibly difficult. And because of the state of Xamarin, Xamarin was not part of Microsoft, and they didn't have like a mobile thing. So they didn't have the real flavor of C# running on the mobile part. But now, see it like this, I mean, having the API in the SAF side, all of that is things that we have been waiting for a really long time because the world is, you have like really enterprise and everyone else, which is mobile. So a
Yeah,
mobile app is always needed.
yeah, and I want to mention this is a Maui app with Dev Express control. So it's in our world. We are using our tools, our components. So basically, we are having a from mobile front end for our XAF app, everything in the DevExpress world. So really excited. I hope you guys enjoy it. As soon as we have it live in the Apple Store and Google Store, we'll share that so everyone can download it and use it and give us feedback. We definitely will appreciate what happened, we improve it. Thanks everyone for watching and see you in the next video.
See you.